Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can edit a message on Messenger. So first up here, make sure that your Messenger is up to date. So go to your Google Play Store, and from here you want to search for Messenger. And basically, if you find an update buttons here, you just need to tap on update. Now, once done, you just have to tap on this open. And for example, we're going to open a chat. And here, we're going to try to type a message. For example, I'm going to type hello from here. And then once done, tap on the send button. Now to edit this message, just need to tap and hold, then tap on the three dots at the bottom right. And basically, you'll find the new option here, which is edit. And then I'm going to edit this message now from hello. I'm going to edit this into hi. And then tap on the check icon. And basically here you'll find this edited message on your messenger. So that's it. That's how you basically edit the message in Messenger. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.